The life of an eagle is truly remarkable, embodying strength, majesty, and resilience in the wild. From the moment of hatching, eagles face a world fraught with challenges, yet they thrive through their remarkable abilities and instincts.
Eagles typically begin their lives in lofty nests perched high in mountains or atop tall trees. From these vantage points, they survey their surroundings with keen eyesight, using their powerful vision to spot potential prey from great distances. Their hunting prowess relies not only on sight, but also on their acute sense of smell.
Successfully capturing prey requires not only skill, but also agility and strength. Eagles use their powerful wings to soar high above the landscape, scanning for opportunities below. When they identify a target, they dive with incredible speed and precision, using their sharp talons to snatch their prey from the ground or water.
As eagles mature, they become even more adept hunters, honing their skills through experience. However, they also face numerous challenges, including competition from other eagles for food and resources, as well as threats from human activities such as habitat destruction and illegal hunting.
Despite these obstacles, eagles persevere, adapting to their ever-changing environment with remarkable resilience. They symbolize power and freedom, soaring above adversity with grace and strength. In the vast expanse of the natural world, the life of an eagle serves as a testament to the beauty and resilience of the animal kingdom.
The life of an eagle is a testament to the sheer magnificence and resilience found in the natural world. From the moment of its hatching, an eagle faces a world filled with both peril and promise, navigating a landscape where survival demands unparalleled skill and adaptability.
Old age and natural death. An eagle may reach old age where its ability to hunt and survive diminishes. In this case, the eagle may simply die due to old age and declining health.